Let's be honest. Workplaces can turn cold overnight. One day you're the star employee, the next day you are the target. And by the time you realize what's happening, it's already too late. So let's talk about how to protect yourself before they build a case against you. Number one, keep records. Every instruction, every meeting, every warning, document it. Save emails, WhatsApp messages, take notes, and always confirm things in writing. Number two, never sign anything blindly. If you are handed a warning or a document, read it carefully. You have the right to refuse to sign if you disagree. Just write, I do not agree. Number three, know your company's disciplinary policy. It must align with the LRA. If it doesn't, or if you are being treated unfairly, that's where people like Labour and SA step in. Number four, stay professional, even under pressure. Remember, emotional reactions are often used against employees later. So keep calm, keep evidence, and keep your dignity. Your job is your livelihood. Protect it like your life depends on it, because sometimes it does. At Labour and SA, we make labor law simple, affordable, and always on your side. If you are facing unfair treatment or need help before it's too late, please reach out on WhatsApp on 076 401 6834. Let's protect your future together.